In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram couldn't refresh feed error on Android. So, if Instagram is not loading the latest posts or your feed won't refresh properly, I'll show you several methods that can help solve the issue. So let's jump straight into it. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now turn on airplane mode. Wait around 10 seconds and then turn airplane mode back off again. After that, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to a working internet connection. If Instagram still isn't refreshing on Wi-Fi, try turning Wi-Fi off and switch to your mobile data instead. Now go back to the main settings page. Next, scroll down and tap on VPN if your phone has a VPN section. Make sure you're disconnected from any VPN services because VPNs can sometimes cause Instagram connection problems. Once you've done that, go back to settings again. Now tap on Apps or App Management depending on your phone. Scroll down and select Instagram. Next, tap on Storage and Cache. Now tap Clear Cache. You can also tap Clear Data if the issue still continues. After that, go back and tap Force Stop. Now reopen Instagram and check if your feed refreshes properly. If Instagram is still not working, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is fully updated to the latest version. If there's an update available, tap Update. If the issue still continues, go back to the Instagram app info page and tap Uninstall. Once Instagram is removed, reinstall it again from the Google Play Store. After reinstalling, log back into your account and check the feed again. Now, if nothing has worked so far, the final method is to reset your network settings. Open Settings and go to System or General Management depending on your phone. Now tap Reset Options. Select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth or Reset Network Settings. Confirm the reset. Once the reset is complete, restart your phone. After your phone turns back on, open Instagram again and your feed should now refresh properly. And that's how you can fix the Instagram couldn't refresh feed error on Android. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tutorials and Android fixes.